I don't know.
I'm not eating it. I called it.
You can't. You can. Okay, so.
No, you just mix it up. Like mix it, and then you pick your own. Like pick whatever.
So let's introduce what we're doing, Michael. Okay. Okay. Well, anyways, okay. So what we're doing is we're getting anything out of the kitchen, and we could put it on these little slices of bread, and we're all gonna mix up the hamburgers, the bread, and we're gonna make a little sandwich. And one of us four, including her, get to. It doesn't matter. Well, whoever it is gets to eat someone's thing. So yeah, I'm gonna start working right here. Me too. And
How am I supposed to make mine?
we'll just go around for right now. And
Wait, this is mine?
hey, you look at it. I'm gonna have to edit the video on your computer.
Yes. Well, I don't know how to stop it.
Yeah, I know. So put it somewhere.
Put it next to you.
No, I didn't mean put it somewhere like that. I'm gonna put it somewhere like